In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com, helping you streamline your website management and editing processes. Whether you're new to Wix or looking to enhance your skills, this guide is designed to be comprehensive and easy to follow. First, let's start by heading over to wix.com. This is your gateway to all the features and tools offered by Wix to help you create and manage your website with ease. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account and navigate to the dashboard. Here, you have a centralized hub where you can access all your sites, track analytics, and control your site settings. It's a powerful area that helps you get a quick overview and allows you to dive into the specific aspects you're interested in. Now, we're going to build on that by enhancing your website. Once you have your site selected, you'll want to move over to editor.wix.com to start making the actual changes. Here, you can visually tailor your website to match your vision. The first feature we'll explore is how to add a new section to your site. In the editor, locate the site menu on the left side of your screen. Once there, find and click on Add. At this point, you're opening up a world of possibilities for building out your website. The Add button provides a variety of options, but today we are focusing on adding sections. After clicking Add, you'll see several section types to choose from. Select the one labeled Services. This section is particularly useful if your website is for a business or a professional offering its expertise to potential clients. The Services section is tailored to help you showcase what you offer effectively. Click on it and it will automatically be added to your page. You'll notice templates to choose from within this category, so pick a style that aligns with your brand. With the Services section added, it's important to ensure all the information is accurate and effectively represents your offerings. Double-check your descriptions, services list, and make any necessary adjustments. This attention to detail ensures that visitors get a clear understanding of what you do the moment they visit your site. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and have communicated your offerings clearly, the next crucial step is to save your changes. Saving your work ensures all your hard efforts are safe and reflected on your live site. Head over to the top right corner of the editor interface and click Save. After saving, consider publishing your site to make the changes visible to your audience. And there you have it. By following these key steps, you can dynamically manage your Wix website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com, all while ensuring your site remains optimal and true to your vision. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website building!